Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Christy Redefined. Today I wanted to tell you my experience with private health insurance here in Portugal. We all know there's a public health system here in Portugal. It is difficult to get onto that system. They have you jumping through literally 17 different hoops in order to get that number. I've been here 2.5 years. I do have my number. I don't understand how to use the system. I've tried at my local public clinic. They're full. They said to go to the main clinic. I went there and got the rigmarole and run around about other documents I need. I have the what's called SNS number or UTENT number, same thing. So I am in the public health system, but I don't understand how to access the services. So I'll tell you about that when I get to it. I do have private health insurance. I have it through a company called Fidelidad. And I'm happy with the service. I'm very healthy anyway. It costs me 145 euros per month, and I'm in my 50s, so they charge based on your age and based on your health. I'm very healthy, but if you need special services, it's going to cost more for your coverage. I pay 145 euros a month. So that gets me a doctor's appointment at a private clinic called CUF. CUF. It runs very similarly to Kaiser Permanente. Has its own facilities, very nicely kept, its own team of doctors and specialists, has its own clinic, blood clinic, blood analysis clinic. It's got its own physical therapist, etc. So do your shopping around and homework. I have Fidelidad. There's also Cigna Global Health. I don't recommend that. I came over on that. You have to have your own private health insurance to get your visa approved if you're, an other citizen of another country. So you have to have your own private health insurance before you're approved to come here, to stay here. Also, there is Cigna Global Health, much more expensive than Fidelidad and covered virtually nothing. They're out of pocket before they start paying for anything was so huge. I mean, I was paying for everything on my own and wasted a lot of money. There's also another company called Alliance. I have friends on that, Alliance with a Z at the end, and they're happy with Alliance coverage. So do your shopping, Google everything, and find out what's the best private health coverage that will serve your needs, and if there is a private clinic or hospital or medical service that's in the area where you're going to move. Thanks for listening, and thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel, Christy Redefined.